Hello everyone, welcome to Advocate Bapu Sahib Bonde High School. My name is Mrs. Pranjal Dev. Our today's subject is art and craft and topic is chicken. Children, do you know which picture is this? Yes, a chicken. This is a picture of a chicken. Have two eyes, one head, two wings, one tail, feather, two claws, one body, one beak. The chicken is a bird that people all over the world raise for its meat, eggs, and feathers. It belongs to the group of domesticated or tame birds called poultry. Chickens have short wings and a heavy body. This makes it hard for them to fly very far. Male chickens are called roosters. Roosters often have brightly colored feathers. They can be red, green, brown, black, or other colors. Female chickens are called hens. Hens are usually brown or white. Both males and females have one or two wattles. Wattle is skin that hangs from the throat. Male and female chickens also have a comb, which is skin that sticks up from the top of the head. Chicken. Tear yellow marble paper into small pieces and stick them on the chicken. First, we need one yellow marble paper. Now, we have to tear this paper in small pieces, like this. Now, our pieces are ready. Now, we need glue. Spread glue on the picture of chicken. Take one piece and stick like this. Now our chicken is looking very beautiful. So children, did you understood how to tear the yellow marble paper and how to stick on the picture of chicken? Yes, very good. Now you practice at home. Okay children, stay home, stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye bye.